What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 4 of the Mystery Box Challenge. So if you don't know, Mystery Box Challenge is kind of like a series that I've started here on my channel, and I've done it with 3 creators so far. I've done it with Mansi Mao, Gopali, and of course that quirky miss. And today I'm collaborating with the brown daughter Janvi Tiwari for another Mystery Box Challenge. If you don't already know who she is, which I already think you do know her, but if you don't know her, of course I'm going to be leaving her channel in the description box below. She makes really wholesome vlogs. It's very beautiful family content. It's very relatable, very fun. Also on her Instagram she does some really fun reels, so you have to check her out. So in this video, Janvi is going to be unboxing everything that I gave her in her mystery box, and I have followed the budget of rupees 5,000 this time. I usually don't, but this time I have decided to. Other than that, both of us are wearing the lavender macaroon collection. Both of us are twinning. She's wearing a tank vest and I'm wearing a tee. So I'll link that also in the description box below. This was a very long intro, so let's just get started. Hi guys, so as you can see, we have Janvi here with us, and I sent her a mystery box obviously, and she sent me one. If you guys want to check out the mystery box that she sent me, you're gonna have to head over to her channel. Link is gonna be in the description box. Now, I've done so many mystery boxes कि अब मुझे लग रहा है that the mystery box I've given you is shit. So I'm very nervous. We'll see. So I hope you enjoy. Let's just get started.
I am super excited. This is like my first mystery box. और ऐसे एकदम से जानना है मुझे क्या भेजा है. Okay, so here's the box.
और बाय द वे इस बार गाइज आई स्टक टू द बजट ऑफ 5,000. आई थिंक मेरा 5,000 के अंदर ही मैंने सब किया है. आई एम लाइक पीपल शिट ऑन मी अलॉट इन द कमेंट्स फॉर नॉट फॉलोइंग द बजट. दिस टाइम आई स्टक टू द बजट.
और मैंने ट्राई किया मैं बजट में रहूं, बट मुझे जो चीजें पसंद आ रही थी वो कॉस्टली ही थी. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है.
डोंट टेल मी यू वेंट आउट ऑफ बजट, डिड यू? ओह गॉड,
अ लिटिल.
ठीक है, चल कोई नहीं.
ओके, सो मैंने अनबॉक्स कर दिया है.
So by the way, while you're unboxing, tell everyone a little bit about your channel maybe.
ओके, सो मैंने ना मेरा चैनल आफ्टर माई 10th स्टार्ट किया था. 10th के बोर्ड के बाद. एंड आई यूज टू वॉच योर वीडियोज लाइक so much, and I don't know people know this or they don't know. मैंने है ना I did your DIYs, I did your recreation of makeup, so this is like my dream collab kind of thing.
So sweet.
I used to watch your videos like एकदम ऐसे loop पे, and even now like मैं सारे वीडियोस देखती हूँ, एक भी मिस नहीं करती. My channel is about vlogs, makeup, family vibe and that kind of channel. Okay, so I am
खोल लो इसके बाद मैं बोलती हूँ.
yes, you cannot categorize it. So I can see a frame with a digital art of my picture, I guess. Oh wow, this is so pretty.
So this is actually hand painted. I got it hand painted. Digital नहीं है ये.
Oh my god, हाँ, this is not digital.
No, it's hand painted.
Wow, this is so pretty. Who made it?
So actually my Masi, she's the one who helps us with all of our Simba creatives also. So she's the one who's painted this. I asked her to paint it.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. Like किसी ने भी खुद पेंट करके मेरी फोटो नहीं भेजी. Oh my god, I
There's
love
actually
it.
one more similar size का है. So maybe you should open it together. It'll make more sense.
Okay, let's unbox the second thing. This was so pretty and thoughtful.
Yeah, I also personally love ऐसे आजकल बहुत चल रहा है ऐसे digital art images and the pop of colors. It looks very pretty and aesthetic obviously. So by the way, I'm just gonna chime in to what she was saying regarding her channel. I remember watching her video. I think she did few years ago of recreating one of my makeup looks. I remember watching it also, and it's so nice to see her doing what she's doing right now. You've come a very long way, Janvi, and she's so young. How old are you? 19, right?
Yeah, I'm 19.
And you're doing so well.
Thank you so much. So I think this is a frame. ऐसे मेरे को ऐसे बाहर की पैकेजिंग से लग रहा है ये फ्रेम होगा. तो मैं वो भी ओपन करने की ट्राई कर रही हूँ.
दोनों kind of, both of them are like a set.
Packaging is very pretty.
Thank you.
Wow, it is very pretty. बहुत मस्त है. Like this specs and the skirt, everything. I love the pop of yellow color as well. मुझे yellow बहुत पसंद है. So it looks so good. Thank you so much. Thank you to your Masi. She's so talented.
I ask this question to everyone. It's one of my favorite questions. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Okay, so I don't know basically. I believe ऐसे flow में जाने के लिए, but I think I'll do something related to more of makeup and fashion, which I'm into, and I am doing literature right now. Like I'm a college student, in case लोगों को नहीं पता था. So maybe in that as well. So that's my plan, to get a proper degree kind of thing. So that's my plan for next 5 years.
So next 5 years में you will be 24. So still pretty young. मैं अब भी जितनी हूँ उतनी, 1 साल कम.
Yes, okay. So this is bath bombs.
Yeah. So मैंने ये क्यों दिया? Because I saw them. If you don't know, they're moving into their new house. Okay, Janvi and Gopali went for bathtub shopping, and I was so excited to watch that vlog. I don't know if you ended up buying a bathtub or not, but I thought eventually तू लेगी, मुझे पता है.
Yes, I was just discussing about my bathtub कि वो कब आने वाला है, आज सुबह के कल परसों में it will be delivered to us.
Oh nice.
And I just got this.
Yeah, so for
wow.
her bath experience.
Oh, ये बहुत satisfying. This smells so good.
Yeah,
like मुझे ऐसे ही smell आ रही है.
By the way, guys, in case you want to shop any of the products that I've sent her and vice versa, we're gonna link all the products in the description box below, so don't worry. In case you want to gift it to your loved ones, we got you.
That's how it looks like. They are in very beautiful pastel colors. ये क्या है?
मुझे भी नहीं याद है. It's been a while.
Okay, so this is Market Peach White Brain Room Spray Perfume.
This is for their new studio.
Wow, nice. मैं spray करूँ क्या?
करना, but एक ही करना. बहुत concentrated है.
Oh.
Yeah. It's very strong. It's from Bath and Body Works. Did you say that?
Oh, it is from Bath and Body Works. So मुझे दिखाना है. Yes,
हाँ.
yes, yes.
काफी strong है, but अच्छा लगा fragrance.
काफी strong है, but अच्छा. It's nice. Oh, it is a roller, that jade roller, right? I'm sitting with an aesthetic queen जो like हर एक videos के aesthetic होती है, and then I'm receiving really pretty and aesthetic gift.
I hope by the end of it you actually like everything that I've sent you.
I'm loving this. Oh wow, they look very pretty.
ठीक है, next question for you. तो खोलते खोलते मैं तेरे question पूछते रहती हूँ, ठीक है? Tell me, what is your biggest dream in life? Like, what is one thing that you really want to achieve in your
Okay,
life?
it's not actually a proper thing that I want to achieve, but I want to go for a trip in Santorini. Like enjoy myself out
wow,
there.
that's
Yes, like मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगता है that white and blue and the sunset. This is a book, the classic international bestseller Princess.
You haven't read it ना, but
No,
okay,
I haven't
it's a
read
very
it.
good book. You must read it. थोड़ा सा dark नहीं बोलना है, but it's a little bit intense. I think that you can say. So, but read it. It's a very easy read and it's one of my favorite books. You must read it.
Body Shop का कुछ है. I can read Body Shop ऊपर से. It is a very beautiful body mist bottle. The Body Shop Strawberry Body Mist. Oh wow, it is so sweet.
Yeah, अच्छा ना?
बहुत मस्त है. I love this. This is one of the best thing.
अच्छा, great, okay, nice. ये मेरा one of my favorite scents है from Body Shop. तो मैंने सोचा एक तो बनता है, कुछ तो थोड़ा beauty fashion.
बहुत मस्त है. Yes, it is very refreshing as well. Like मस्त मजा आ जाए. This is pink bath salt, Himalayan salt crystals.
Again for your bathtub. बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे मैंने bathtub के around दिए because मुझे भी चाहिए personally. I'm like obsessed with bathtubs, so I'm really happy कि you're gonna get one soon. So I got you a few products.
So you're like मुझे जो जो चाहिए मैं भिजवा देती हूँ जानवी को. I don't know, I want to smell it for some reason.
Smell. I don't think it'll smell like anything. It'll smell like salt, नमक.
पता नहीं ऐसे crayons वगैरह में जो आती है ना वैसी है.
अच्छा, that doesn't sound very nice.
Wow.
For your bath salt to smell like crayons.
Yes.
Do you believe in ghosts? Do you believe in the paranormal world?
No, I don't, but
No?
I'm scared of ghosts.
Acha.
No, I don't believe. But I'm
never
like,
had-
I want to watch horror movies.
अच्छा.
ऐसा.
But you've never had any sort of paranormal experience?
नहीं.
I was hoping कि कुछ होगा because I love talking about the paranormal and like listening to other people's stories. So I'm a little upset that you don't
नहीं,
have.
मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है एंड बट मुझे ऐसा होता है हॉरर मूवीज वगैरह और ऐसी कोई हॉन्टेड प्लेस है लाइक ठीक है ओके आई एम नॉट विजिटिंग देम और मैं मूवीज भी नहीं देख रही ठीक है ओके सो दिस इज यूटेंसिल सेट
मतलब तुम लोग इतनी सारी कुकिंग वीडियोस करते हो ना
यू विल गेट टू नो व्हाई आई एम लाफिंग
I have a feeling you've probably given me something similar. Cool.
Wow, they are very pretty. They are in very beautiful red color. My mom will be really happy with some bright color ऐसे use करने के लिए. Yes.
अच्छा, tell me who inspires you the most, or who do you aspire to be like?
Okay, so I like if we talk about fashion and everything, I really like that boho girl. Like she's so simple, raw and out there. Okay, so मैंने ये unbox कर लिया. This is ARC BBQ lighter. Oh.
Guys, it's not like a lighter. It's a candle lighter. Just a disclaimer.
Oh, there's also USB with it.
Yeah, so you have to charge it and then you can light your candles because पता है Bath and Body Works में कभी-कभी हाथ जल जाता है पता है उसको burn करते-करते. So you can bend it. Try bending it.
Yes. दीदी, we were about to purchase this. Like हमारी जो कैंडल है ना वो भी काफी ज्यादा नीचे हो गई थी. अच्छा, you can bend. Very nice. Very thoughtful. So thank you so much. This is a really good gift.
Again, you can burn your candles while you're taking a bath in your bathtub, and you can use this there.
Everything is related to bathtub and taking bath in the bathtub. Your Amazon is very different than mine. I'm pretty sure because you get so many things. मैंने वो 24 hours वाला वो shopping challenge देखा था and I'm like इतनी अच्छी चीजें मेरे Amazon पे नहीं मिलती हैं.
Maybe because मैं इतना time Amazon पे बिताती हूँ ना. Like I know other people like to scroll on Instagram. I like to scroll on Amazon. So maybe इसके लिए इतना मैं मेहनत करती हूँ.
That is with me with Nykaa. So मैं क्या करती हूँ सेल आती है तो I install it and I uninstall it वापस.
That's a good. I think you've mentioned that in your vlog or somewhere. मैंने सुना है ये तुझे बोलते हुए पहले भी.
Oh, I'm so happy.
हाँ, मेरा थॉट ये था कि गोपाली एंड जानवी ने साथ में मिलके एक स्टूडियो लिया है, राइट? सो आई थॉट मे बी बोथ ऑफ यू कैन टेक अ मोल्ड ऑफ बोथ ऑफ योर हैंड्स लाइक होल्डिंग ईच अदर एंड पुट इट एज लाइक अ स्टैचू.
वाओ,
बट समथिंग ऑन दोस.
वेरी वेरी थॉटफुल. बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक मैंने ऐसा सोचा था हम कोई व्लॉग में करेंगे. लाइक इट इज वेरी फन प्रोसेस टू डू. But I'll have to convince my sister to hold my hand. You gave me everything which I don't have. Like पता नहीं कैसे इसमें से मेरे पास जो चीजें you have sent, I don't have anything.
बैंड्स पता है, रेजिस्टेंट बैंड्स जिससे वर्कआउट करते हैं. मैंने भी कभी यूज नहीं किए बट दे लुक फैसिनेटिंग सो आई थॉट लेट्स जस्ट गिव देम.
दे लुक क्वाइट फैसिनेटिंग. ऐसे वो करके आप रील वगैरह बना सकते हो. And the pouch is really cute and the line as well. Don't live in a gym, just look like you do.
And they're cute in colors.
And they are in different colors. Yes.
Please मुझे बताना अगर यूज किया तो कैसा है. मुझे खुद को लेने में इंटरेस्ट है but I made you the guinea pig for you to try first and then let me know.
Okay, I'll try. Okay. इसमें भी कुछ तो अच्छा होगा.
Okay, tell me, other than Santorini, which is your dream destination?
Seychelles.
Like after Santorini, कहाँ जाना?
Seychelles.
Okay.
Like
interesting.
I love
think you're
beaches.
really into beaches.
Yes. And my sister is a mountain person. Like everyone in my family is a mountain person. I'm like, नहीं beach पे चलो please. Okay, so this
चलो
is.
जाते हैं. कोरोना खत्म होगा फिर let's go.
I am in. This is Zero Waste Initiative by Soapworks India. Oh, very soft. Clean sponge.
तो ये वो है यार, वो मेकअप निकालने के लिए. सो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि इफ यू वेट दिस And you don't need any makeup remover. You can just use this and it'll melt your makeup. I don't know how, but it's supposed to do
this
that.
is like a microfiber cloth wala thing.
Exactly.
Oh, nice. It is very soft.
Yeah.
Like it will be very gentle on my skin
Correct.
to use. Okay, now we have the last box and it is quite heavy compared to everything that I opened.
Acha, okay, perfect. This is the last package.
Yes, this is the last package.
Okay, ठीक है. And this is
No,
good that you
just
opened
a
this
second.
fast. Chalo. हाँ, what year are you born in? 2000.
2001.
Yeah, I figured. So you're not a 90s baby, which is why I gave her all of these products,
No.
which you will see soon.
Okay, so I am guessing इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे food items जैसा कुछ होगा. Oh, wow! It is box full of gummies and chocolates.
These are all 90s candies that I used to have when I was in school. So maybe you might not have tried them because you're a little bit younger.
Oh, this is purple. Hey, where did you get all of this from?
Amazon. सब Amazon पे मिलता है.
Oh wow! Oh my God! This is so. Oh God! This is so cute. Wow! This actually looks like a lipstick.
Yeah. At least for kids it does.
So we have a lot of things. Then we have magic pops, caramel, pudding mix. We have this.
Great. I hope that you liked the box. I was very
Everything.
nervous for this. I hope this was satisfying.
Very much. बहुत मजा आई.
Great. Now we're gonna go and unbox the box that Janvi gave me. And to watch that, you're gonna have to go to her channel and watch that video. Both of them are gonna be posted at the same time. So once you're done watching this, go ahead and check out Janvi's video. And I think that's it. I hope you had a good time.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. बहुत मजा आई मुझे. And this was very much fun to do. We should do it
And
more
I'm so
often.
glad. Yeah, so I was thinking that we should do this. This is just like a random idea I got yesterday, okay? I was thinking you, me, and Gopali should do a 3-way collab where we do truth or drink, all 3 of us together. What do you think about it?
Wow! I am in.
है ना, ये मुझे अच्छा लगा. Rather than just doing it
मजा
with you
आएगी.
and me and just doing it with Gopali, ये थोड़ा interesting होगा, अलग थोड़ा spin होगा.
Yes,
Let us know
3-way.
if you
Yes,
guys want to
yes.
see that.
बहुत
We
मजा
can
आएगी.
do it if you guys wanted.
And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and let me know who else to collab with. Please don't say Haley because we're already working on the collab. Other than that, who else can we do it with? Yeah, I think that's it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!